Look at all of these tool accessory kits I've got here. Well, in today's video, we're going to show you what DeWalt has done to change their evil ways. We're going to show you inside a couple of the new kits that they've just come out with, and we're going to show you why you should buy them and not buy any of the others, and that all starts right now. My question to you, DeWalt, why were you treating me so evilly? Jeff here again, and welcome back to the channel where we give you world-class tips on home renovations, bathroom renovations, floor renovations, remodeling your kitchen. We even do tool reviews like these, and we also go shopping for you at Costco, Sam's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and we're always trying to find the best sale prices for you. So if this is your first time here on the channel, this would be a great time for you to click on that subscribe button down below. And then when you click on subscribe, make sure you click that little silver bell, that grayish colored bell there. That will alert you every time we upload a video so you never miss a single one. So let's get right into it. So here's a problem that's been plaguing me for years. I have all of these drill bit accessory cases here from DeWalt and Milwaukee. The problem is, and this has always bugged me, I lose a lot of productivity time due to this, is these guys are, I can't tell what's in them. You know, a lot of them look the same. If you look at these two here, how are you going to know what's in these two guys here? How are you going to know what's in these two guys? So I can't tell you how many times I have like a dozen of these, and I'll grab one going, oh, these are the drill bits, and I get to the job site there, and guess what? Oops, not the drill bits. So that's why, if you remember our live broadcast that we did a live stream from inside Lowe's and Home Depot several weeks ago. We were the first to break you the news on this, about these new drill sets that DeWalt has come out with, and this was for the Father's Day sale. So if you remember, we did that live stream about the Father's Day sale there, and we showed you specifically about these two kits here that are game changers for me, because 2 years ago I swore off DeWalt and I said, I'm not buying any more of your kits. I bought one of these 2 years ago, and that was it. I said, that's no more, no more. And then they also, we also pointed out these two kits. So I bought all four of these during that Father's Day sale there. And let's take a look at these, a closer look here, and let's see why we like these so much. Okay, so if you remember from those live broadcasts where I was there with my daughter, we showed you in the store there how we discovered that, hey, this is brand new from DeWalt, these new clear covered cases here. Brilliant! I was like, man, what took you guys so long? So I finally bought these two. They were both on sale there, you can see. And let's take a look closer inside these and what makes these so good. So we're going to slice into this one here, get him opened up. You can hear that thunder in the background. It's going to be raining soon. Okay, so here is the 27-piece kit here, and what I like about this is qualified to be used in a drill or an impact driver. Now, if you remember when I did the live broadcast, I pointed out one of the main reasons I was getting this kit was because, see these drill bits? They can be used in a impact driver. See the hex? So what happens to me sometimes is I'll be working on a project and I'll get a call to go fix somebody for an emergency, and I'll try to bring some of my tools, but I don't always think to bring everything, and I need a drill, and I don't have my drill with me, but I do have my impact driver with me, and so a lot of times I'm stuck with the ability to drill, but without the ability to drill because I don't have a drill bit. So that's where these are going to come in handy for me, and it's such a small compact case. And then this here is your screw holding sleeve. I like that. And it also comes with this one here. This is the magnetic holder here. So I'll put that right down in there. And it also comes with some 2-inch bits and the 1-inch bits here. And what I like about this one is this particular kit here, this comes with 2 of the #1 Phillips heads, which are probably these two guys right here. And it comes with 5 of the #2s, that's these 5 right there. And it comes with 2 of the #3 Phillips heads right there. And it also comes with some of the square Robertson bits. So you get all of them right here. Now what I like about this particular kit is that it comes with the real small Robertson bit there. See, so you see these screws here? I use a lot of these screws here. These are these fine thread, sharp point screws here, which I use a lot on the cabinets. And if you look closely, let me see if I can bring it in there for you. See that right there? That's the teeny tiny little Robertson square head on that screw there. And so they have a little bit in this kit that fits that. That's the smallest one right here. So here you can see, here's that little square bit. So there you can see how that square bit just fits right in there, see? So this was perfect for me here. Okay, and if you've never seen this one before, this is the rapid load bit right here. So it takes the little sockets and they go right in there and it just, boom, sucks them right in. So that's for rapid changing. So now when you close the case here, you can see everything that's inside of it. See? And just compare that to their old mystery case of old. And as you can see here, it has the 4 most common drill bit sizes. It's got a 1/16, an 1/8, 3/16, and a 1/4. Those are the sizes of drill that I use the most. Particularly the 16th and the 8th, which I use for drilling pilot holes. So I have to drill a lot of pilot holes, especially when I'm doing cabinets, because you never want to just screw right into the wood. You always want to use a pilot bit. Okay, so up next now is the 32-piece Max Fit. And this one I think I got at Home Depot. I believe I bought one of these kits at Lowe's and one at Home Depot. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, this one is rated for both as well. This is rated for impact and for a regular driver. Now we're going to slice into this one. Okay, so what I like about this kit is this comes with all of the essentials here. So it has the regular sleeve that we all love. This also, like the other kit, has the 4 drill bits there. And these drill bits all have the bases that are hex so that they'll fit into your impact driver. And what I like also is it also has the magnetic screw lock sleeve. That's this yellow one right here. This is really cool. It locks on and it's got the magnetic properties there, so it'll hold your screw in place. And then next to it is the magnetic drive guide. You can still hear that thunder, man. Ooh, it's getting closer. This is right here is the magnetic drive here. And what I really like about this set also is it comes with, you can see right here, it comes with all of these Torx bits right here. So what they're giving you in this kit here is they're giving you a couple of T20s, a couple of T25s, and a T30. Now those come in handy because I use a lot of these deckmate screws, and I use these a lot when I'm doing you know, small amounts of framing, or in the, if you saw that kitchen renovation video I uploaded a couple of weeks ago that shows how we completely gutted that kitchen in one of my flip condo projects, and I built that that sort of riser, little riser wall right behind the sink there, and I built it with these. I framed it with these guys. I love these screws here, these deckmate screws, and because these have a very aggressive thread. Let me show you a close-up. See that thread? That just bites into the wood. It's a very aggressive thread, and look at that. See, that's got a star bit drive. And the reason why you want to use these kind of bits instead of Phillips head, these never slip. I've never had one slip yet on me. It's an incredible screw, and when you use it with these star bits, it just works perfectly. So I'll show you how this works. There's the screw there, and I'll take the little star bit and stick it right in there. And this has much better gripping power than a Phillips head any day. So this is a great little set, and you can see it's got the little yellow there that's made for impact driver. Now you see this right here, they got an extra slot here. So I picked up a package of 4 of these guys, and you saw me do a video on these a few weeks ago. I'll put a link to it down in the description. It was a great video that showed what these little bits do, but I love these things, and these are so handy to have. So if you recall, I showed you these. These are the drywall setting bits. These are drywall screw setting bits. So you put your drywall screw on there, right? And then you stick it, you drill it down into the drywall. Yeah, did you hear that thunder? Bring it, baby. So anyway, you drill it down into the drywall, and this guide here stops when it hits the surface of the drywall, and it makes sure that your drywall screw is embedded at the perfect textbook distance. You'll never ever miss a drywall screw because it's very critical, as you know. So anyway, that's going to go in here for now, and that will complete this set. And since these little boogers are elusive, I always make sure I have like one of these in every one of my sets. That way I'll always be guaranteed to have one. So if I'm not using my big Senko drywall gun, I'll have these guys too. Okay, but DeWalt did not stop there, because now they have set out to prove that they have done away with their evil ways. They also had these other 2 kits here too, which I like, and I bought these up instantly. And I'll tell you why, because these are small, compact little kits here. So these are great when you don't have a lot of space in your bag. So this is the 16-piece set here. And this is nice because it pretty much covers the gambit of most of the bit sizes that you're going to need. So as you can see, this set has each of the Phillips sizes, P1, 2, and 3. And it also has the Robertson square bits, 1, 2, and 3 as well. This also comes with a 6, 8, and 10 size of the flathead. Now as you can see, this is a magnetic sleeve there, see? Sucks the bit right in there. And then when you put your screw on there, you'll see it holds it on there magnetically. See? I really like that. So you can see why I like this set. This thing is just so tiny. But what's really cool about it is all your bits, all 16 different bits there, just fit inside that case there. So what's really cool about this is this will just fit inside a zippered pocket inside your tool bag. So when you're really pinched for space, but yet you need to have a nice tool set, you know, you could use either one of these 2 in there would work just fine. So my question to you, DeWalt, would be, why in the world did you take so long? Why were you treating me so evilly for all of these years? Why were you treating me like this while Titan was already treating me like this? Okay? I've had this for 5 years. You guys took way too long to hop into the game here. And even Ryobi headsets like these. I just picked this one up a couple of weeks ago at the Father's Day sale for 12 bucks. 120 pieces. Look at that. Nice and clear. I can see everything that's in here, right? So what took you guys so long to get into the game? And then my other question is for you guys at Milwaukee. Look at this, Milwaukee Tools. I'm not buying any more of your kits anymore, because look at this, I can't see what's inside these either. I have the same problem with the Milwaukee. So don't buy any of these tool kits anymore, folks. From now on, look for these types here that are see-through so you can see what you're getting. Okay, so my next question now is, okay, I got these multiple kits that I'm going to start collecting now. Are they stackable? Can I stack these guys together? And more importantly, will they stack with my older DeWalt kits? Let's check it out. So it turns out this new series here of these cases, they're part of the Tough Case Plus line of connectable cases, and yes, they do. So let's take a look at how it works. Alright, so here's how it works. Right here is a little L-shaped piece of plastic sticking up, and you see how you have this feature here on the box that's going to go on top of it. You stick it right on top like that, and it snags on it. Lay it down, close down the snap there, and there you go. They are connected. They are now one and the same, husband and wife. So I like this because now you can just group a whole bunch together. You don't have to worry about them flopping all over the place. But the question remains, can I get it to latch onto this guy here? And when you lay this down here and try to fit, there apparently is no way to make it latch onto here at all. There's just no way. It's not designed to be part of the tough system. So that makes this completely useless now. I can't tie any of these new cases onto the old cases. Okay, well, now that we've established that we cannot mount these onto the new ones anymore, what do we do with these? Well, I have no use for these anymore. I'm not going to use any of these old cases like this anymore. Now, this particular case, I've pretty much lost most of the bits in there anyway. I'll probably empty this out and sell it on eBay. Hey, you know, I got a great idea. If you guys live in a state where marijuana is legal, you could use this to store your marijuana. That's about all it's good for. Well, folks, I hope this helped you out. I'm glad DeWalt finally ended their evil ways, and they're well on their road to making me a happy customer once again. So if you found this review useful, we'd appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon next to that. That will alert you every time we upload a video, because like I've said before, you don't want to miss any of our videos that we upload for all sorts of home renovations, kitchen renovations, all sorts of remodeling and engineering disasters around your house. So that's it for this time, folks. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate each and every one of you. We'll see you on the next one.